Welcome to my channel, guys. My channel name is 75 English Speaking Challenge. So, guys, today is our sixth day, and now today our topic is. Now I tell you about the what happened. Will Narendra Modi will give the all station. Narendra Modi convert all the stations in private. So what will happen? So I give you 5 and 6 point on this topic. First of all, we are feel comfortable while we traveling in trains, because nowadays we can see a lot of station made by Narendra Modi, not made by Narendra Modi, but inaugurate by Narendra Modi, because nowadays you can see Jaipur railway station Gandhinagar in constructed, and after 2 years he will be it will be made, it will be make, and it's a very beautiful station. I always go from Gandhinagar railway station, so I will see, I see how much work progress going on. So the next thing is, if you see, next point is, if you want to comfortable life, so you need to pay. Otherwise it is not if you see in Pakistan, they facing a lot of issues, like railways, or a lot of something issue. But now in our India, people are addicted these things. Okay, they want a government job, and they only want to earn that much money, 20 not a 20, 50 and 60 and 70 enough. And they also want pension. They adapted to pension, because they don't know the what the government are what the government is facing. If someone retired from 60, and he around 20 and 30 years, he take the pension. So how much money government have to pay this person? So yeah, it is not a good. So the Modi decided. And next thing is, if you see foreign, if you see in a foreign, so there are the foreign railway station are very beautiful. If you go Japan, if you go China, there are a lot of hygienic and very developed stations. But if you see in our country, after 5 months ago, there's a no station kind of, there's a no station in here. So the Modi decided to take such kind of decision. He made our country proud. I honestly speak, because if we have to pay. If we want to luxury, we need to pay. We have to pay. Otherwise we can't take any kind of comfortability, or any kind of future features. Like if you see Vande Bharat train, it's a beautiful train. Now Narendra Modi, not Narendra Modi, Ashwini Vaishnav said कि we early we made a sleeper Vande Bharat train, and also we made passengers Vande Bharat train, like a general passenger Vande Bharat train. It's also a beautiful. It's a very good decision taken by Ashwini Vaishnav. So the next thing is, if our government, if the all the stations are private, so will private. So the one thing that Modi had decided कि in rural areas, in village areas, there are a station So the 2 and 3 rooms will constructed, yeah, made, will make by station, yeah, government, by government. And here are there are teach the youth and students, the take the give the classes, they will give the classes and teach the student how will improve their skills. Yeah, definitely. And the next thing is like Modi take the decision, we give the all the station private companies, so that it will improve our GDP growth also, as well as it will improve our economy. So that like nowadays we are thinking ki this is destroy our jobs and something, but it's also create a lot of employment in our country. If you see like if a station like 3 and 4 buildings there, like here is a there is a facility of sitting, there is a facility of hotels, there is a facility of eating, and there is a facility of restaurant something. So how much employment improve? Like if you see in our India, we 500 something station we give the private companies. So if you see 500 stations, it's around, if one station give the 10,000 people employment, so it's a good, you can imagine this, like how much amount is this. So yeah, it's also you can see the how much passenger traveling, and they feel comfortable, and how much foreign people come to India, they will come to India, because if our country's station are very good, because you know what, the country backbone is a railways. Because if you see in our India, we used to station like a very huge amount. So that in our India, Malgadi corridor we made separately, so that it's a good for our economy. Because if a passenger trains going in our main stations, so Indian government decide to make a separate corridor, so that we so fastly we travel our malgadis from Mumbai ports to Lucknow, Punjab, and UP something. So that the Modi's plan is this is. And second thing is facility, facilities features, these are things very important. If you want a luxury, so you have to pay amount for this. Because people are thinking we take the luxury, we want luxury, but we don't need to pay for this. They also think like this. In Hindi, if I say in Hindi कि पीपल्स लोग चाहते हैं कि हमको फैसिलिटी भी मिल जाए और हमको पे भी ना करना पड़े. दैट इज़ द